So I'm on my way to Riverwalk. They say they just stocked it. Taking the family with me. Nathan, say what's up, everybody. Say tickle, wiggle, wiggle. Anyways, all right, guys, I'll let you guys know how I do today and give you guys some information on it. See you later. Yeah, that's what they do. Oh, he's there. He's there. He's swimming toward me. Yeah, that's what they've been doing over there. Got it? Come on, son. Oh, yeah. Riverwalk. They just stocked it. Show them the trout. Woo! Well, you guys, we got, how many right there? How many we got, Nathan? 1, 2, 3. Down there, he got quite a bit over there. How many you got, brother? What's his name again? Hey, how many fish you got in your string over there? 6. He got 6. Okay. He got 6 over there. Him and the son been fishing. They're using a little tiny crappie jig. Jesse over here, waiting to catch one. We're already past almost the illegal time to fish for trout, so we're gonna have to get out of here soon. This guy don't care though. He's something else. Rolando down there, he just got his first one on a mice tail. And Jerry's over there. Tell everybody hi, Jerry. Anyways, everybody's out here at Riverwalk. They just stocked earlier, so the fish are biting now. I guess they stocked 400 or 500 pounds. See what happens.